So this hair clay mask is like a detox for your hair and your scalp pretty much. It gets rid of all the chemicals and toxins that you deal with on a regular basis, all the creams and gels that you use when you walk out your front door, all that dust that gets in your hair. Yes, girl, it gets all of that. Then the apple cider vinegar is great for reducing frizz, and it gets rid of all the excess oils as well. You mix it together until you get a nice creamy paste. You put it on your hair and watch the magic unfold. I like to use my conditioner first on my hair because it helps to soften my hair and I can distribute the clay mask evenly. So now after I've conditioned my hair, I'm able to separate it into different sections and I can put the clay mask in evenly. Yes, rub it in that scalp and from root to end. Leave nothing untouched. So it's also good for your skin. So I'm going to put it on my face to let that dry and then wash my hair and my face with some warm water. And that, my friends, is how you get nice, defined, voluptuous curls. They look amazing. I love this clay mask. It does wonders for my hair and for my skin as well. So yeah. So I use my vitamin E oil by Measurable Differences as a moisturizer. I got it from Marshalls for about $5. Vitamin E oil is great for moisturizing your skin, for dry skin. It's great for minimizing any scars or wrinkles that you may have as well. Well, everything is clean, curls is popping, skin is glowing. Need I say more? Till next time, guys.